Welcome to the video today, guys. Today we're cutting wood. Our tree has fallen across the path. It's fell across the path. So today we're gonna see if the Husqvarna 120i is a really good trail saw. You know, like a saw that you want to keep on your tractor or in your side-by-side for when you're going through your woods and you may come across the trail that has a tree down. Hope you guys are having a great day today. We got our little battery here. Really want to get another battery, but like this is a real life situation that happens. You go to drive through your property and a tree falls down during the night and then you have to clean it up. The good thing is it's 8:30 in the morning on a Sunday right now, and we've got our battery powered chainsaw here. So we are going to take and get this thing cleared up. So my favorite thing is the fact that it's on right now. If you had a gas-powered chainsaw, you would have had to start it and it would be running, making racket, ticking the neighbors off. I'm still impressed with how well this saw cuts. All right, well, we're getting to the edge of the trail here. All right, so we got all the tree cut up that's across the trail. I am going to try to cut the rest of it up. I may cut it up in bigger pieces just to get it back to the barn over there, where we'll finish cutting it just in case it rains. But I would say if you want to keep a saw in your Ranger or on your tractor, this is a great saw to have, because you don't have to worry about the gas and oil leaking out of it. It will do a small job and finish a small job, and it's quiet, so you can do it early in the morning, late at night, without having to worry about bothering your neighbors. So hope you found this helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see other videos about chainsaws, there's probably some in the sidebar down below. Thanks for watching.